We're getting ready to start doing our video lessons. This will be our first one. This is for kindergarten literacy. This is our video lesson, and students will be using their green MyView Student Interactive Workbook. And that's the book that hopefully you got a chance to pick up on Friday with the pickup materials. The workbook looks like this that we'll be using. You can do the work during the video lesson or after the video lesson. And let's go ahead and get started. It says, let's begin exploring. We will look at pages 14 and 15. What is imagination? It's making pictures or ideas in your mind. It can help you with a picture, a place. It can help you picture a place. It can help you think about what might make the place special. Now let's look at pages 14 and 15. What are the boy and girl imagining in their minds? You can see that they are making pictures in their mind. Can you see the cloud? What would you do in space if you rode a rocket ship? Where would you go in space? Would you go to the moon? Would you go to Mars? Think about how you could use your imagination and where you would go. Where did you go in your imagination? Turn and talk to someone in your home about where your imagination took you today. Draw a picture of where your imagination took you. My imagination took me to a tropical island. There were palm trees, soft breeze, and sunny skies. There were lots of fish in the blue water surrounding the island. It was very peaceful and relaxing. Can you imagine what I would draw for a picture today? And here at the bottom I have a picture of an island with a tree, palm tree, have the sky and the water around it. And so that's using my imagination of where I might go. For the lesson, part of what we'll be doing is high frequency words. Sight words is another name for it. We'll be learning new words each week. These are words called high frequency words or sight words. You will need to learn these words to practice every day. These words will help you read stories fast. You will have to point to the words and read it. You will repeat the words until you know them fast. At the bottom, here are 3 words for this week to practice and learn. I am, the. Sometimes people say the, and then repeat again. I am, the. When you think you've learned the words, do them out of order. Maybe look at this word in the middle and say am, this word, the or the, and this word, I. Here's an example of some other sight words. Some are in English, and then for those that are learning Spanish, it shows their sight words. So it's just an example of words that we'll be learning to help with our reading. Next, we'll do word work, page 16. Initial sound, Today we will learn about the sound The sound is made by pressing your lips together while making the sound. You try. If I say the word mouse, can you say the first sound in mouse? If I say the word cat, can you say the first sound k, k in cat? Which word sounds like Is it mouse or cat? The answer is mouse. Okay, now let's practice. I will give you 2 words and you tell me which ones start with M. Here we go. Mouse, cat, net, mop, sun, man, mitten, ball. You should have picked the words mouse, mop, man, mitten. If you're having trouble, review the words and go over them again with your family and try to pick the ones that have the sound. Next, pages 16 and 17, we'll be looking at consonant M, the capital and lowercase m. It says today we will learn about the letter M and the sound for M. The sound is made by pressing your lips together while making a sound. Here is the letter M and a picture to match. What picture matches letter M? Motorcycle. Motorcycle. Here are a few more words that begin with M, and it's the first sound in the word. So we have mouth, meadow, market, mat, money, music, mouse, monkey, mountain. And you think of other words that start with M. Okay, let's practice consonant M, the M, things that start with it. I will say a word and you decide if the word starts with M. Do thumbs up for yes or thumbs down for no. So, man, man. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? That one is thumbs up. Next word, cap, cap, cap. Thumbs down. Mug, mug. Listen for the at the beginning or the first part of the word. Thumbs up. Fan, fan. Thumbs down. Mask, mask. Thumbs up. Map, map. Thumbs up. Marble, marble. Thumbs up. Remember your lips go together. You can say the word after me to listen for the first sound. Moon. Thumbs up. How about rock? Rock. Thumbs down. Okay, good job. Next, it says students may complete pages 16 through 17 during the video or after the video is finished. Students may draw and label pictures that begin with M to share this week. So you can get paper and draw pictures of things that start with M, and then hopefully we'll have a chance to share our pictures with each other. If you know how to write, try to sound out the words that you draw for your picture this week. You might think of things in your house that starts with M, maybe foods that start with M. Think about people in your family where their first letter starts with M as well. Next, I have a video that you can click, and it talks about letter M.
Sesame Workshop is proud to bring you this Sesame Street podcast.
What sound is the letter M make? What sound does the M make? Like if you eating some lunch and you say, that is good. That's right, you do. I do that all the time. I eat my lunch and I say, that's some good lunch. Come on. Let's make the M sound say my M?
Market.
M.
Music.
M. Men shop.
M.
Movie.
Maps. M.
M.
M. This is the letter M. And do you know what comes out of a cow and starts with the letter M? What? What comes out of a cow and begins with the letter M? I wonder if he meant milk.
Bring out your M! You have anything on you that begins with the letter M? Mouth? Mouth! Mouth begins with M! Let's see your mouth! Mouth!
Yeah, I have a map.
A map! Let's see your map! Map! Got any M's? Any M in there? Come on, M's. Money. Money! Money starts with M.
Oh, wait, I think I got something.
What do you got?
Mint.
Mint! Mint starts with M! Oh, wow. And fresh breath.
Moon. In the dark of the night, the moon shines bright. It shines through the window on me. It helps me see the cat on the wall and the birds asleep in the tree. Moon.
Bring out your M! Anything else with M? Anything in here with an M? Anything? No. Nothing? No. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Don't give up. Don't despair. Phoebe, it's gonna be okay. Okay, thank you. Hold yourself together, woman.
You're an M, you're Murray.
Murray! Me! Murray! That starts with M.
I have
What?
some makeup.
Makeup!
Yeah.
Makeup starts with M.
MP3 player.
MP3 player.
My mom.
Mom, does that start with what? M. M. Mom begins with the letter M. Do you have anything on you that begins with the letter M?
Well, I have magic.
Whoa! M magic! That was amazing. Come on, let's see more of the letter M.
The letter M is very easy to recognize because it's standing on its legs, see? That's easy to remember, isn't it? It has 4 straight lines and, That doesn't seem to be the letter M at all. That is the letter W. It still has 4 straight lines, but now its legs are sticking up in the air, see? Now that's the letter M, and that is also a good way to remember it. When you turn the M upside down, it becomes a W, and when you turn the W upside down, it becomes an M.